Hi everyone, I'm Zach James. I'm the founder of Rabbit Tractors, where we're building the future of farm equipment. So the problem we're solving is that of the modern tractor, right? The modern tractor is this behemoth, $500,000 or more piece of machinery that's only used a few times out of the year. It's a big, complex, and heavy piece of fixed assets that's way more difficult to use than it should be, right? That extreme size, its bigness, makes it very hard to move from field to field and makes it very cumbersome when we're using it in the field. Its complexity means it costs a fortune to maintain, and its heaviness means that permanent damage is done to the field every time it touches the ground. So at Rabbit, we're taking a very simple approach to solving this problem of the big tractor. We simply make it small again. We make it small and autonomous so it works in swarm capacity with other small and autonomous tractors, to be just as productive as its larger counterparts without any of the negative side effects of that size. These swarms of tractors result in a higher utilization because you get flexibility in deployment and each unit's more efficient in the field and across the entire operation. Lower maintenance costs because the smaller vehicles are wildly simpler in design. And then less damage to the crop and then growing environment because the vehicle's lighter weight, which also opens up our operating windows, right? We can get on soil right when it rains. We don't need to wait a day or two for the ground to dry out. Now, we're not the only company focused on autonomous ag robots, but what we are is the only company that's not use case centric. We're not making a novel implement technology, but we're making the tractor platform for the farm of the future, right? We're focusing on autonomous navigation in a farm environment, not a cool use case. And that plays right into our strategic plan. We're going to penetrate the market with traditional farm tasks. So take our platform, put traditional implements on them, either the ones that are already created or modify existing ones to work with what we're doing, and go out, capture market share, build brand recognition, and become a cash flow positive company while developing novel and use that position of strength to develop novel application technologies that we can then upsell into our existing customer base. So the basic idea of our strategy is that we don't want to introduce two crazy things at once, autonomous tractors and a cool novel technology, implement technology, but first start with the autonomous tractor, which is the backbone of the novel implement technology, and then go into that novel implement technology in the future. We've been in existence for 3 years now. We have multiple prototypes out running at different universities as well as in commercial applications. Our system is a GPS-based automation system now, although we're working towards non-GPS-based guidance. We have basic obstacle recognition and avoidance implemented, over 100 hours of autonomous operation time, and a functioning broadcast spreader that we have out running now, broadcasting dry fertilizer as well as cover crops. In 2019, we did 18,000 in revenue, and we raised 115,000 to date. And as you can see, some of our great press that we've gotten, the media is really starting to pick up on the work we're doing, and we're getting a lot of interest. So that's my presentation. Once again, I'm Zach James, and I'm the founder of Rabbit Tractors. Thank you.